Hi everybody. As we start week 6, I want to give you a chance to tell me how the course is going so far. I'm offering 2 collaborate meetings and a survey. Tell me what you want to continue, what you want more of, or what you'd like me to start doing, and what you want less of, or what you wish I'd stop. I can't promise you that I can do everything you suggest, but I do promise to listen and consider what you said and change what I can. Based on our first 1/3, we are on track to end the course with over 1,000 points, and almost everybody's doing really well. We start a second round of Teach the Class, which now seems old hat, right? Now that you've done it once. The first step is to do your draft of the 4 slides and submit them in the assignments folder by Thursday. I will have them back to you by Sunday midnight so you can make your corrections for the following week. We spend this week with 2 groups of very significant human microbes, staph and strep. We have a lab on how we would identify them, and then you get the opportunity to make a flow chart, basically a map of how to identify each of the gram-positive cocci you will learn about in that lab. Toxins are critical to a discussion of staph and strep because they have so many, and the toxins determine what diseases the bacteria will cause. After you learn about toxins, there will be a matching quiz. I think matching are fun to do and they're easy, so don't stress about that. We meet Rebecca Lansfield, one of my idols. She was a mother, wife, and microbiologist back when no woman was expected or allowed to do all 3 of those jobs at once. She made a classification system for the pathogenic streps that we still use today. Lastly, we have a radio lab called Best Medicine. If you love the intersection between history and science, this is your podcast. You're going to learn about a recipe from a book that was written hundreds of years ago, and then we're going to analyze that recipe using a discussion board. The podcast also lays the groundwork for the following week, when we will learn about antibiotics and how quickly bacteria can develop resistance to them. I get so excited when I think about all the things you're learning. I wish I could see your faces when you do these experiments and do these tests for the first time. I'm sorry we can't be together, but at least we can share our experiences through Collaborate and our discussion boards. I loved reading about your favorite fermented foods and your comments to one another. I think this discussion board is going to be really fun too. Let's have a great week together.